Hey Rising Stars, want to know the fastest way to get what your character wants in a scene? It's all about actions. In this lesson, we'll cover how choosing actions can make or break your audition. Oh, and stick around because you can also book one-on-one coaching with me. Actions. Okay, so now let's talk about actions, as they really simplify a scene and are important to getting what you want and realizing what is coming at you to stop you getting what you want. We choose an action for each sentence or paragraph of what our character is saying. It's easier if you simply write down the words or the word next to the dialogue when rehearsing. Some basic actions would be charming, forcing, backtracking, manipulating, mocking, loving, pointing out, spelling out, joking around. This makes the dialogue actionable, and the actions you choose show who your character is, as well as what they do to get what they want. You can also write actions for what's coming at you, if that helps. This approach can also become second nature, but regardless, it's a great resource if you're ever struggling with a scene. So to clarify this, your character can either use actions or choices to fulfill their need, desire, and want. Now, just because you do the homework, it doesn't mean that you have to stick exactly to actions or choices that you have decided upon. You can always act out different variants to see how they feel to you. Basically, you will use your actions homework as a general guideline, but when you go and finally act it out, let loose and let go. The results will come. Trust me. Great. So that was a very simple explanation of actions. I love to write them out for each of my sentences, and it really just takes the pressure off the scene. And if a scene is a little bit complicated to figure out, it can also really simplify it so you know exactly what is going on. So have fun with that, and I hope you enjoy it. Awesome job, stars. Now, if you want feedback on your approach on this or with a specific audition, just book me below by clicking the link.